It's tips and tricks with Tyler and Terry. It's getting cold out. Winter rebuild.
Winter is coming. Take 47.
Winter is coming.
What are you guys doing? I need to get this job done.
I told you he wasn't ready for this, and I'm getting wet for nothing.
No, this is get it done time.
Dang it, Donnie, now we gotta reshoot it again. And seriously, man, you need to think about your winter rebuild program.
Okay, how should I proceed?
First, you need to get the dealer to come out and do a machine inspection. Once you approve your quote, then you need to set some time aside to have the machine repaired.
Don't forget, Donnie, the machine pays your bills. And you can always double check with your dealer because they have special offers and special discounts they can offer you.
Okay.
So since we're done, can I get out of this thing? I'm burning up in here.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean,
You
why
look
did you
really
throw
hot.
ice on me?
Dude, marketing wouldn't pay for a snow machine, so we had to use ice.
Guys, are you guys gonna help me out or just stand around?
All right.